Okay, today we will learn how to utilize Figma in order to edit your website with us. So the buttons to focus on today is going to be this hand button. Hand button allows you to move back and forth across the various website. And then when you press Control and then mouse scroll up and down, that's going to allow you to zoom in closer on the web page. And then when you zoom in close, if you want, you can use this comment button in order to make the comment x2, um, something like this. And then when you press enter, now there's going to be this little chat bubble here. So then our developers can come and see what's going on with it. Um, and then this button here, most likely you're not going to be using, but this is kind of, let's say you want to add an image, so you just have to drag and drop the image over there. And then you can also, when you press shift, you can also make the image bigger or smaller. And then you can just let us know, okay, this image, please insert this image here. And that's pretty much it.